Today is Friday, April 24th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We do have an area of possible severe weather today that will be in the south, and it looks like mostly eastern Texas, western Louisiana, and getting up into Arkansas. That'll be the area to watch, and maybe even parts of Oklahoma. So it's here in this part of the country where the ingredients will come together to support some severe weather, damaging winds, large hail, but there's also quite a bit of change in wind direction with height. That's called shear, and that causes storms to rotate, so there could be some tornadic activity in this part of the country as well. As we move off to the northeast, it's just rain showers, and it's a light rain, but a cool light rain with temperatures probably getting stuck in the 50s for some spots north of the front. So that's probably northern half of Michigan up into Canada. We'll peak in the low 70s though on the other side of the front from Grand Rapids to Detroit and Cleveland, Chicago, but there will be some scattered showers and kind of a steadier light rain into parts of Ohio later on today. 84 today in Pittsburgh, 83 in Cincinnati with some scattered storms, 81 in Louisville, 82 in Nashville, and 77 with a chance for some severe weather today in Memphis. So that front, warm front swings through, then a cold front quickly follows, so that'll knock the temperatures down for tomorrow. We climb back out of that, and it looks like we're back into the upper 60s at least early next week. In Chicago, 70s today means only 60 following the cold front tomorrow, 65 on Sunday, and back up near 70 by Monday. It'll be 81 today in our nation's capital, and in the southeast we'll be in the 80s, probably mid 80s for most, with lots of sunshine. Looks like a nice summery day from Charleston to Savannah, Atlanta at 83 today. There's the thunderstorms in Memphis. We got the thunderstorms that will potentially be severe in this part of the country. So we're talking from Memphis over to Little Rock, down to Baton Rouge, and east of Dallas later on. 84 in Charlotte tomorrow, 81 on Sunday, and then a cold front will knock those highs back down into the 70s for next week. In Fort Lauderdale, partly sunny skies this morning. Could be a little bit breezy this afternoon. As the day goes on, the chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, and maybe still an isolated thunderstorm this evening. Looks nice and summery this weekend. Highs in the low to mid 80s in South Florida, and maybe climbing into the mid and upper 80s later next week. That is your Friday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.